Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel, and today I got another quick tech tip for you. I'm sure we've all encountered it. We need to turn something down in our shop and we don't have a lathe. You don't have a buddy that has a lathe. What do you do? In this example, I have this backing plate for my 7-inch polisher, and I have a 2-inch standoff adapter piece on it, and I can't get that into my backing plate because the diameter is smaller down to the threads, and this shaft is quite a bit larger. Now this is a trick that I've done for years. I've used it on all sorts of things. For this particular example with this arbor, luckily it's already on a polisher, but what I ended up doing is I just leave the arbor on, I crank the polisher up the max speed, I took it over to my bench grinder, and I basically run down the polisher on the bench grinder to get it ground down. Now not only is this method quick, but it also gives you a very nice, true, and you can see round finish. It's a poor man's lathe. It works great. Now, a lot of times you need other hardware done. So whether it be like a bolt or a shaft, really anything, almost all the time you're trying to turn something down, it is almost always round. And so I'll go ahead and get that chucked up into a drill, and I do the same thing. You can see that I have a screw in there. I chuck it up. I'll go ahead and spin it, and my go-to is my die grinder, and just run my die grinder on them. Just like so. Not only is it very quick, like I mentioned, very nice round product when it's finished. All right, hopefully that helps you guys out with your projects in your shop. Please jump in the comments. Let me know if you got tips of your own. The more that we share these tips, the better we make all of our hobby for all of us. As always, thanks for taking the time to stop by the channel. I appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video.